collection gallery for 2 days, today and tomorrow. And the timings are 11 to 7:30 and the collection includes...
Okay, so the collection includes 2 and 3 piece suits, saris, dress materials, Indo-Western sets में options है, silver jewelry में options है. We have nice ethnic jewelry options as well. If you're looking for casual wear, festive wear, तो અહીંયા બધું જ covered છે. This is the Pink Lotus Show, 2 days, today and tomorrow, 30th and 31st of January. Collection જોવો હોય તો swipe left.
Hi.
Hello, this is Zeel from Sherry Dhaga. So here we are with our new collection. We have something in a cord set.
Okay.
Like I am wearing as well.
Cord set similar to what she's wearing. Okay.
We also launched something very new concept, tissue with a bandhi.
Tissue with bandhani. Okay. Alright.
Suits as well. It is a palazzo.
Okay. Palazzo kurta set. એમાં પણ કલર ઓપ્શન્સ છે, ડિઝાઇન ઓપ્શન્સ છે. Okay.
Something in a thread work. We have something in a different fabric.
Okay.
We also casual collection.
Casual collection માં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે. Okay. So this brand is called Sherry Dhaga. So this brand is called Cottonium. They have some beautiful sets like these. Okay. So these comes with pants and a top. એમાં અલગ અલગ color options છે, different designs, and these are reversible, so you can wear it both ways like this. Okay. So this is a sustainable brand and their shop is also based in Ahmedabad. They also have dresses like these similar to the one that she's wearing. So midi style માં dresses જોઈતા હોય, if you're looking for short dresses તો એમાં shirt style dresses માં પણ options છે. They have some cord sets like these. આ linen માં છે, linen cotton છે. Comes with bottoms. Okay. And they have more options over here. Okay, some kurta pant sets, something in whites and ivories, અને પાછળ colors સાથેના પણ options એમની પાસે available છે like these. Okay. Alright. So this brand is called Amis Attire and they have some beautiful 3-piece and 2-piece suits over here. Okay. ઘણા બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે અહીંયા to choose from. Nice heavy pieces that you can wear to weddings, to festive events, પૂજાસમાં પહેરવું હોય તો પૂજાસમાં પણ પહેરાય. They have casual wear નું collection as well, which we'll be checking out. Okay. Moving on to casual wear. So they have options over here like these. Okay. Alright. So this brand is called Resham Fashion Studio. They have some beautiful options in Indo-Westerns like these. Something in 2 and 3 piece as well. Cord sets જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options છે. Something in black. Okay. હલ્દીમાં પહેરવું હોય તો yellowમાં options છે. Nice Indo-Western sets that they've come with over here. If you're looking for some traditional 3-piece suits તો એમાં પણ options છે with pants. So this brand is Sri Vaishnavi collection. They are back with their sarees નું collection. આ જેટલી પણ sarees તમે જુઓ છો બધી ટીશ્યુની છે for 1000. બનારસીની ઉપર 10% નું ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ છે એમની પાસે. They have lots of blouses available as well. Hello. So let's take a look at more of their collection.
टिश्यू पे मेरा चिकन करी का है.
Okay, टिश्यू पर चिकन
पैंट
करी.
को इसमें भी कलर ऑप्शन आपको मिल जाएगा.
Okay,
हार्ट वर्क टिश्यू पे
heart work.
जामदानी
जामदानी.
जामदानी इस पे भी ऑप्शन है मेरे पास.
Okay,
टिश्यू पे जामदानी,
टिश्यू पर जामदानी.
जॉर्जेट टिश्यू,
Georgette
प्योर
tissue.
जॉर्जेट टिश्यू. इसमें भी ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा आपको.
Okay,
हैंड वर्क साड़ी,
handwork sarees.
पार्टी वेयर साड़ी,
Party wear sarees.
बनारसी प्योर टिश्यू. इसमें भी
बनारसी.
10% ऑफ है.
Okay.
Hi, this is Iraya and we have got you some very minimal dainty silver collection. Also, this can be worn in daily wear for office casuals and also used for gifting in wedding purpose.
Okay, so this is all pure 92.5 silver jewelry no collection.
Yeah, and we have very much nice collection for smart earrings like this, which is very unique.
They have
and this chains for layering for your
Okay.
everyday wear.
Okay.
Then we have some bling collection for your Sangeet and reception looks. Since the wedding season is going on. And we have also got you sorted with wedding gifting collection
Okay.
under a specific budget which starts from rupees 500.
Okay, so rupees 500 thi
Yeah.
start થાય
Yeah.
છે.
And if you come here and follow us, you get 5% off.
Okay, so if you come here and follow them, you get 5% off. So this brand is called Krupa's Creation.
એમની પાસે બ્યુટીફુલ દુપટ્ટાસ છે
Dupattas.
And બનારસીમાં પણ છે પ્લેન
બનારસીમાં options છે, plains માં છે. Okay.
just giving you a glimpse now they have indo western kind of thing આ બધું
Okay.
customized થઈ જશે you don't have to worry about the size
Okay.
something in casual wear as well
Casual wear.
something like this something in velvet
Velvet માં options છે.
daily wear પહેરવું હોય તો
Daily wear માં options છે.
these are colors
Colors.
and
Okay.
we have heavy wear as well
Heavy માં પણ options છે.
yeah 3 piece માં બનારસી
Something in 3-piece Banarasi with work.
something like this they have unstitched suits as well
Unstitched suits માં પણ આવી રીતે options તમને જોવા મળશે. This brand is called Krupa's Creation. So this brand is called Silk and Soul. Hello. So શું છે આજે collection માં?
મારી પાસે 2 piece ના cord set છે
2-piece ના cord set છે. Like these. Okay.
5XL સુધી સાઇઝ અવેલેબલ છે
5XL સુધી sizes are available.
કસ્ટમાઇઝ પણ થઈ જશે
Okay. Nice 3-piece suits. અને આ બધું જ સિલ્ક પર છે.
મલ ચંદેરી
Okay.
મલ કોટન
Okay. All right. So lots of 3-piece suits to choose from. Okay. All right. So this brand is called Silk and Soul. So this brand is called Being Bella. They have a beautiful collection of jewelry over here. Okay. So they have options in Monzonite.
Jadtar, Kundan, Jadao pieces, some handmade pieces,
Okay.
glass stones, cubic zirconia and moissanite.
Okay. Long માં છે, choker style માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય.
Necklaces પણ છે, even આવા antique pieces પણ છે,
Okay. They have options over here as well. Bangles,
chain bracelets, moti chain bracelets.
Moti chain bracelets, sure. Beautiful. They also have bangle options like these. Lots of bangles to choose from. And they
Polki
have
kadas,
options like these. Polki kadas માં પણ options available છે. And they have akko wedding wear no collection as well. So options like these.
Hi, this is Janvi from Cotton States. We have a collection of block prints and ikats, kurta
Okay.
pant sets
Okay.
in plains and the prints. We have got dresses like the ones I'm wearing as well.
Okay.
Then we've got Sikko ikat kurtis
Okay.
and Dabu kurtis.
All right. So nice kurti options.
Yes. Then we have a collection of modal silk, tunics, kurtis.
Modal silk માં tunics છે, kurtis છે. Okay, some pretty pieces like these. They have top options as well. Short tops માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ એમની પાસે collection છે. This brand is called Cotton States.